Now we are able to see the changes that we just made through our @copy bulk edits template. Hello, I'm Gu, and I'm the founder of Adzviser. Today I want to talk about how you can use our @copy bulk edits template to edit your responsive search ads in bulk on Google Ads and streamline the whole process of pulling your data, editing your ad copies, and then uploading it back to Google Ads. This video will show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so I want to also talk about a few constraints about this template. First of all, it does not take into account any pinned positions of headlines. What I mean is that if you go to ads and if you go to one of our running responsive search ads, we can actually pin the position of your headlines here. But this template does not take that into account. Going back, another thing, I think a lot of the Google Ads experts should already know this. The headlines must be within 30 characters and the descriptions must be within 90 characters. What I mean is that this is the description, right? What I mean is that this is by definition how Google Ads responsive search ads work. There is a constraint on the number of characters that headlines and descriptions can have. So, okay, these are the constraints that I want to talk about. And so right now, let's dive into it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to again make a copy of this template. Okay, and I'm going to rename it for as in, say, demo. Okay, so now I see 3 worksheets on my Google Sheets. I see instruction page, bulk edits, and then adzviserQuery. How you can hack with adzviserQuery worksheet has already been documented on our documentation. I'm not going to elaborate more here. So what I'm going to do is simply enter the workspace name. Okay, so existing workspace. Okay, so what I'm going to do is simply replace the placeholding workspace name with our actual workspace name that is connected to the Google Ads account. So let's go to adzviser.com/setup. So here we have created a workspace named Adzviser that is connected to our Google Ads account. So what we're going to do is simply replace this workspace name with Adzviser, with the name of our workspace that we just saw right here. So right now, everything should be done. And let's just click refresh all queries. This should pull all the ad copies from last month with the breakdowns of campaign name, ad group name, ad name, headlines, and descriptions, as well as the cost, impressions, clicks, and conversions. So now you see the pulled data. This is the raw data that we pull from Google Ads. And now let's go back to bulk edits. Let's click this button. It's a transformation button, and it will basically transform the raw data recorded or saved in ad-Google Ads-your workspace name into a upload ready format for Google Ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to bulk edits and we're going to simply click this button, click this little icon. It's going to kick off the process of running a script in the background. Okay, so we're going to authorize this. Okay, and let's authorize this. Allow. For what it's worth, you might also experience another scenario where you see the screen. You might see the screen. Don't worry. You just click Advanced and then go to Google Ads and click this button. Okay, just simply click Allow. So now we have authorized our script. Let's run it again. these are the ad copies that we ran last month. Okay, so these are the headline, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 headlines in total, and a few descriptions. What's cool about this template is that, as I said, you can have at most 30 characters for each headline. So if you enter too many characters, this template is going to show you a red warning sign. Like the cell where the number of characters is exceeding will show you a red warning sign. You just simply go back and make it less than 30 characters. Same with descriptions. If you make it too long, okay, it will also show you a red warning sign. All right. So let's go back. So now what I want. Okay, so right now I want to say for the purpose of this demo, I want to make this headline 1 into test. Okay, test meta ads data to ChatGPT. And now we have done with our bulk edits. What I want to do right now is that I want to upload this worksheet back to Google Ads and update all the ad copies in bulk. And we can simply do that. What we're going to do is that, okay, if you can go to campaigns and then ads, it can do more, upload, okay? And select source, Google Sheets, and then link an existing Google Sheets. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to share the previous worksheet with this group of people. I'm going to make a viewer, then notify people no, share anyway. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, link an existing worksheet. And you see this is the worksheet that we just saw. And what we're going to do is we're going to select this and then apply. Now it's applying the changes we just made to our Google Sheet. And it's going to take a while, probably up to a minute. Now it shows that the bulk edits have been successfully applied. So it's still applying, still running. Okay. Okay, so now we are able to see the changes that we just made through our ad copy bulk edits template. And you can see that, hey, headline 1 from this campaign, this ad group has been changed from meta ads data to ChatGPT to test meta ads data to ChatGPT. So this is successful. So yeah, so this is how you can utilize our Google Ads ad copy bulk edit template. I hope that the PPC experts can find this video helpful, and I hope this template can bring you value. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye.